Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Xfinity app showing internet down even when it's working. First, confirm that your internet is actually working by opening any other websites or apps. If everything works fine, the issue is likely to be with the app display. Then, refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, wait for a few hours, and then reopen it. This can often fix incorrect status updates. Then log out of your account and then log back in. It will refresh your account data and connection status. Then reset your modem or router using the app or manually, as this can sync the correct status. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Xfinity, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may show incorrect information. Now, if the issue continues, clear Apps Cache or reinstall the app. Sometimes the app may not sync properly with Xfinity servers, so waiting a bit can also resolve this issue. That's how you fix the Xfinity app not showing internet down when it's actually working. If this helped, do not forget to like and subscribe.